If you've been visualizing, affirming, doing the work, but you still feel doubt creeping in, first of all, that's normal. The doubt doesn't mean your manifestation isn't working. It means you're human. What matters most, and the key, is what you do next. Doubt shows up when your inner world still holds memories, conditioning, or old beliefs that contradict your new reality. But here's the truth, backed by neuroscience, quantum physics, neurocardiology, neuroplasticity. Your brain and body doesn't know the difference between what's real and what's imagined when your emotion is strong enough. So when doubt arises, use it, pause, breathe, and then consciously feel the emotion of your desired outcome now. Your emotions are the language that the universe, the quantum field, speaks. You're not waiting to believe. You're teaching your nervous system that the future is already now. This is how you collapse timelines. This is how you change your resonance. This is how the field responds. Your job is not to be perfect. Your job is to be present and aligned. Doubt is a doorway. Walk through it. I'll see you in the next video.